Hey, what is up everyone, and welcome to another Carb Fusion video. So Vybz Kartel took to Instagram recently, sort of hinting that he will be a free man very soon. In one of his posts he says, "Carnage when middle road, dancehall nice again, hashtag Gaza Nation." And then there was another one where he said, Gaza Nation, road pre, you know what I'm saying? So I know that, obviously his legal team is expecting an outcome from the hearing from his appeal early next year. So from what, the posts are saying, he seems to be quite confident that he will be winning this appeal and so forth. So, and I mean, a lot of people may or may not be aware that a lot of, issues rose when it came to the trial. Some of the things, like, some people say he might have been framed and so forth. I don't know the full details of it. However, I just want to kind of focus on what would happen if he is indeed successful and free a road. I mean, as far as things go, I am not a judge or anything like that. Whether or not he's innocent or guilty, not my concern. I'm just looking at it from the point of view of dancehall, and he has contributed a lot to dancehall, and I think obviously dancehall has been missing his physical presence for a long time now. So when I first read this article about this potential next year him coming out, I start to think, what would I like to see happen once he's out and back in the music scene? Personally, I want to see how his style has changed, or will it change, because dancehall has moved on slightly since he's been away. So I want to see if he's going to be more lyrical or more melodic. Is he going to be incorporating more stuff? He's always been, an innovative dancehall artist. He was the first to do a lot of things. So I'd like to see, now that he's been away for so long, how will his music change, or will it stay the same? Really, that's the purpose of the video, just to show you guys that, look, this is out there. He seems very confident that his answer will be a successful one. And the second part to this video is, what would you like to see him do if he is indeed successful? Do you want to see him stay the same? Do you want to see how he innovates further? Do you want to see him answer to the people who have been calling his name? You know what I'm saying? What is it that you want to see if he is successful? So that's what I want this conversation to be about. So hit me up in the comment section. Let's get this topic going, and I'll see you guys on the next video.